Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel, bringing you another Elden Ring tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to beat Godrick the Grafted without using any cheese methods, just straight up good old-fashioned fighting. Now here we go over at Stormveil Castle. Just come on over here and I'm going to set it up to use Lutel the Headless. I think I pronounced his name correctly, but he's going to be my summons. I'm also going to summon over here, click on the yellow thing, and you can get Nepheli to come in with you, as long as you've spoken to her previously in the castle. And then I'm going to switch and put on my Physic. And then here I am at level 54, and you can see my stats here. I'm going to put on some Fire Grease as well. That'll help out a little bit. And I'm using my Bloodfang sword, and we'll go on in there. And for him, I just find it best to just go right after him. After I get the summons in, Nepheli will come in as well. There she is. And I'm just going to run up there, pick up my runes. Just run up and kind of stick close to him. And watch out for his little swirl attack, and then come right in. And come on up, once he does his swirl attacks, come up close to him, just start attacking. And your spirit summons and the Nepheli, they will kind of keep him occupied, and you should be able to come up to his back and just start wailing on his back and blocking and rolling when necessary to get away from his attacks. And then eventually, once you get him down halfway, he's going to go into phase 2 of his attack. But as you can see, he's not using a lot of special right away. Now he's going to come into phase 2. I'll let you watch this on your own, so I'm just going to skip through this animation. But essentially he gets an arm with the dragon head. And just stay clear of the fire when he bleeds it. Just run around in a circle far enough away. And then go on up, run up close to him. Start attacking. And Lutel the Headless, I don't even have him upgraded. He's just the first level that you get him, and he's pretty beefy at that level, which works pretty nice. You could also level him up if you want, or use a different summons. I have Black Knight Tish already, but I chose not to use her for this. But I do have a video if you want to get Black Knight Tish summons early on in the game. I have a video where you can check that out. So just get on close up to him and just stay kind of at his back and just whack him. Another thing that you can use, if you have the Rot Dog summons that you get in Caelid, you can use him and he will get Rot on Godrick. Godrick is susceptible to Rot, and so that can help as well. A lot of times I'll use that dragon statue to be able to run around it and come back up on him and get all nice and close. Again, make sure to dodge away when he's about ready to swing, and take your health as needed. And there we go. I took him out, and Nepheli is still alive. It looked like my other summons got taken out, but there you go. That is how I beat Godrick at level 54, and you can see all my stats right there as well. Hope this video was helpful. If it is, let me know in the comments. Take care. Make sure to go and activate Godrick's Great Room as well.